Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Ron again from wapinas.com, and we finally have our hands on the Huawei Nova 3i. This was the phone that I was looking at before I decided to buy the Poco phone. Okay. So this is available right now in the Philippines through any of the Android Zone stores. Special shout out to the guys at Android Zone. Napakabait nyo. Remember I bought the Hyundai Aero a couple of months ago. In their Cubao branch, the customer service was awesome. Okay? So this is a 6.3 inch na phone, 2340 by 1080 ang pixels niya, no, na 409 ppi. From what I know, this is running a 4 gig RAM. So mabilis, okay? And from what it's 128 GB internal. So I don't think you're gonna need a separate SD card for this one unless you're gonna be shooting videos in super high resolution. We'll see later if it can. Let's see. The highest that it can do is 1920 by 1080 sa 60 FPS. So it cannot do 4K shots, okay? So it has a dual cam setup for the front, as you can you see it there, okay? The front camera is a 24 megapixel camera with a 2 megapixel para mas maganda yung photos, and I assume meron yung bokeh, depth, and all that stuff. Yung back camera niya is 16 megapixels and 2 megapixels naman, okay? It's supposed to be able to do a super slow mo at 400 FPS or frames per second, okay? It's 4 gig RAM, as I already told you before. It's running on a Kirin 710 chipset, high silicon, okay? And if I remember correctly, the battery is around 3,300. Okay, so that should be enough, okay? I was really looking at this phone when I was looking for a phone last year, nung birthday ko. But I decided to go with the Poco phone, okay? So the power button and the volume buttons are all located at the right side, and the SIM tray is located at the left side. Now, where did I put my SIM ejector? I don't want to get the one from the box kasi it's a bit hard to remove. I tried it earlier. Okay. It comes in black, purple, and white. Okay, that's the colors. So the SIM tray is located on the left side. It's using a modified SIM tray, so that means it's either you use two nano SIMs, or one nano SIM and one micro SD. Okay, it comes with a standard accessories, headset, wall mount, wall charger, and the only thing is this is using a micro USB charger port pa. So it's not a Type C. So I'm not sure about data transfers and speed of charging, since this is micro USB, so faster pa rin kasi if you compare it to Type C. I like the way the screen is set up. Napaka-liit na nung So comparing that to the Poco phone, which has a lot of scratches already. See? So it's almost the same size. Yes, actually really almost the same size. So it's available now for 15,999. You can get it in Android Zone stores nationwide. There's one in Cubao, if I remember correctly. The peeps there are super nice and super helpful. So drop by, check it out. If you need any phones, you can get it from Android Zone. And watch out for a quick review that we're going to be doing in the next couple of days for the Huawei Nova 3i. So thanks guys. Bye.